Let me show you how I make this vegetable rice, aka fried rice. You are going to like this one. First, I'm going to be showing you all the vegetable I need for this recipe. I have my yellow and red pepper, green beans, carrots, and for this recipe, I'm going to be using chicken wings. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. So I already marinated my chicken. Now we'll cover it. While our chicken is cooking, let's move to the vegetable. Now I'm going to use vegetable oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I have my diced onions. And then I'm going to be frying it together with carrots. So here I'm going to be adding some seasoning. I have my bouillon powder, ginger, black pepper, and a bit of garlic. And of course, salt to taste. And don't skip this part. If you want your rice to be tasty, you need to season your vegetable. So we are going to repeat this process until we are done with all the vegetable. So now we are done frying our vegetables. As you can see, it's already looking very yummy and the aroma is all over the place. So now we're going to move to the next part. Now we're going to boil our rice. I have some water, seasoning with salt, a bit of bouillon powder, onion, and garlic. Please don't skip the onion. It will give your rice a very good taste. Here I added turmeric, curry powder, and my chicken stock. So mix all the ingredients together. Now I'm going to add my rice, cover it and let it cook about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we will mix it together with the vegetable. Check out the beautiful color. It's looking very yummy already. So now we're going to cover it, let it cook, then we'll come back for the rest. So after 20 minutes, our rice is ready. Here I have my pan. I'm going to be adding some butter. If you want your rice to have the greasy look, just add a bit of butter. I have my rice in and vegetable. Mix them together and check for seasoning. If you need to add, you can always add at this time. Mine was just perfect and I didn't need to add any more seasoning. As you can see, the color is looking very delicious already. The aroma is everywhere. I'm going to repeat the same process until I'm done with everything. Today I'm going out with my friends and I decide to give them a very good treat. And you can do the same too. So look at our fried rice is ready. As you can see, the color is very inviting. You know how you cook your fried rice and the next day it's already spoiled? Not anymore. If you cook it like this, you are going to enjoy it even after 3 days. Please don't forget to like this video, share and comment, and see you again next time. Bye.